The $1 million Tesla has only driven 100,000 kilometers and the air conditioner breaks down. When I turn on the air conditioner, there is no cold air, and the noise is extremely loud. This is because of its compression. You don't need to replace it with a new one. You can repair it by taking out the speed reducer first. Remove the back cover. Take a look at the oil here. It's all black. Take out the screw. The moving screw and the screw in are ground to pieces. They need to be replaced. Pull out the brakes from the motor. Look at the centering ring, and it's all black. The rotor bearing is a little stuck when it rotates. Press the rotor out, and then press the bearing. Change to a new cycle and press the rotor in to clean the timing coil. Put the rotor in and install the new pot fist. Put the compressor back together, take out the condenser and clean it. After installing the compressor, do a pressure test. After going to Guanglu for leaks, go to work again. Finally, add cold coal. This air conditioner is blowing cold.